Hey everyone, get set for an exciting adventure. We're ready to kick off an intense Fortnite Warzone clash that's gonna keep you all stoked. Think of all the intense battles, mind-blowing strategies, and maybe even a few funny mishaps we'll encounter. Feel the excitement, cause this one is definitely going to be huge. So imagine this. We're diving into an exciting Warzone match where all the players are real-life threats. Every single structure is a stronghold, and every rare resource becomes a lifeline. The ultimate goal, winning by relying on your skills and beating everyone else. But let me tell you, it wasn't an easy road for me either. The match we watched in Warzone was super intense, with really good players showing off their skills. Even though we didn't have a lot of resources, it felt like every choice we made a real difference. I couldn't help but think that if we messed up on the battlefield, it would mean the difference between being alive and gone in a heartbeat. We needed to be super smart, you know? We used every single trick at our disposal, like the hide-and-seek game with all the gadgets and weapons. We had to be resourceful to hang on, and even had to find a way to work around unexpected situations. Like when a whole team was suddenly on us without a signal. It was more like constant chase and hide, always trying to outsmart our buddies and keep up with them. The event that truly transformed the entire scenario occurred when we were still remaining in the final few participants. The surrounding atmosphere was indeed anything but tranquil and devoid of any calmness. I found myself being compelled to make a potentially riskier decision. And out of this, I managed to secure a gratifyingly significant victory. I skillfully outwitted my adversary, successfully achieving an essential elimination that ultimately sealed my fate and placed me right in the thick of the competition. We emerged triumphant in this exhilarating Warzone battle, and I have to say, it was an amazing experience. It served as a powerful reminder that each and every decision made during the game play a critical role in achieving success. It also taught us that occasionally incorporating a touch of fortune and making a significant amount of expertise can indeed make all the difference in making us stand out among our competitors. Alright, so what were your thoughts on the thrilling action you happened to witness and experience? Allow me to know your opinions and views in the comments section below. And if you're someone who's on the lookout for even more awe-inspiring and captivating Fortnite moments, don't hesitate to check out my other video content. We'll be back with even more spectacular and heart-pounding epic moments, downright crazy and innovative strategies, and perhaps a few more moments filled with contagious laughter and good-natured banter. Stay tuned for our next episode, where we'll have more remarkable and fantastic adventures to look forward to. Don't forget to like, comment, subscribe. See you next time.